Hybrid drones combine features of both types, offering versatility in use. Using drones in agriculture has many advantages. They can monitor crop health, survey land, and manage irrigation. Drones equipped with sensors provide detailed data on soil and plant conditions. This information helps farmers make informed decisions. Technical specifications of agricultural drones are impressive. They can carry significant weights of fertilizers and pesticides, usually ranging from 10 to 20 kilograms. Advanced drones have GPS and mapping capabilities, ensuring precise operations. Steps for using drones in agriculture include planning the flight path and loading the necessary materials. Farmers need to ensure the drone's battery is charged and perform a pre-flight check. During the flight, the drone's progress can be monitored in real time.